What a beautiful day, Chaver. It's Thanksgiving. Everybody's off, but one person's not off today. He's working today. He is working. The traffic cops are always on the go giving out tickets. No, sir, you couldn't get one day off?
I mean, I volunteered to work today, so I wouldn't say that.
You're volunteering?
Yes.
You're not even getting paid?
I am getting paid.
But it's like whoever wants to could do it.
Correct.
You're saying you just love giving out the tickets so much?
I wouldn't say that.
So what is it about today that you want to work?
I mean, it was either I worked today giving tickets or I worked the parade.
Oh, so you're saying you'd rather give tickets than stand at the parade? Wow. Tell me the truth. Does it pain you sometimes to give somebody a ticket? Does it hurt you? Like,
Not necessarily.
you
What
know?
we do as traffic agents, or what I say, we all do is we can issue courtesy when we come and speak to people who are respectful and
So
courteous.
you do that?
Absolutely.
That's great. That's nice. That is nice. You're saying when people respect you, you respect them back.
Absolutely. We are public servants, so at the end of the day, we are at somewhat of the public's leisure.
Right. What's his ticket today about?
His registration is expired in the month of September.
But the issue is people are so busy sometimes. They're watching the Perlowitz show, or they're watching different stuff. They're so caught up in life. It's hard for them to remember always to redo the registration. I mean, just picture the feeling of the guy coming with his car on Thanksgiving and seeing that ticket on his window. You know, maybe just let him get away with it this time.
I mean,
You know-
already started this particular ticket.
Oh, you
so
can't
I
leave go?
turn it back. But what I will say is, since I've been out here, I've passed about at least a couple cars that
Wow, that's nice.
I mean, we can't get them all. If
Yeah, you're saying this is your job. You got to. What's your name? Vernon?
Vernon.
Guys, if you see Vernon, you should know he's a nice guy. Vernon, sorry. He's giving good courtesy for people. All right, like my car, you're not going to give me a ticket, right?
Why not? You look like you're fine.
All right, I hope I am. Just don't scan it. Oh.